name is Roberto Yanez. I am a physics and mathematics professor at the Highland School. Today, we had a lab experience with Lab4Physics, where we used the accelerometer to explain Newton's second law. It is an activity that, for many, could have been complex. It may seem complex to go along step-by-step experimenting, but it became the way to discover by themselves the best working method. It became closer to what doing science really is. Lab4Physics is an application that serves us, as teachers, to take experimental measurements. Most of the questions students ask refer to, how do I apply this in everyday life? One of the things we can do is precisely use these applications to generate practical activities. The use of technology is important in the classroom. We need to consider the fact that technology is already a part of the world. We are connected all day. It is impossible to be out of globalization and technology. Therefore, it is necessary to implement new methodologies. So it is good to have these preliminary activities. I can tell that in the beginning, my students came with different expectations. The important thing is that they were engaged. As soon as they arrived, they began to open the bags, began to interact with the smartphones. They already know how to use tablets. The app is very easy to use, especially at their age. It is important to implement this in a good way. You see a positive attitude in the class. Most of them participated and achieved the expected results. My main motivation is to have a tool to practically apply what I teach in classes theoretically. One of the main complaints students have is that physics is only taught with formulas. I somewhat disagree with that, but still, everything concerning the mathematical components and measurements, especially acceleration, frequency, etc., is difficult to establish or teach without Lab4Physics. With this app, it is much easier. I would definitely use Lab4Physics again. In fact, I'm planning to prepare more working guides to continue with these activities. The first approach was very good, so I would like to implement Lab4Physics with all my classes. My idea is to use this methodology to cover all areas of physics.